This is cabin 9244, right? Yeah, 9244. This is an accessible interior cabin. Look at the space. Let me turn around where Lisa is, and so you can look this way. This thing is gigantic for an inside cabin. It's like 2 cabins put together, really. When you come in, you have your closets over here. 2 of them are hanging, and the third one over here is shelves and a safe and a couple drawers down there at the bottom. Coming further in, you have your bed, which can either be a king as you see it here, or they can separate it. It can be 2 twins. There's a couple nightstands that do move around. No extra power by the bed. Nice sitting chair here in the corner. You do have a desk area here. A medium-sized TV, hair dryer, and a couple of drawers down there. 2 US power, 2 European power. This does have a light here, and you do have a mini bar. This being an accessible cabin, it is a 0 entry, meaning there's no lip. You just roll right in. There is a bench here in the shower, grab bars here as well as the toilet. There's a phone if there's an emergency. You do have a single basin sink, which you can roll right up to. Couple shelves, nice big mirror, everything that you need. So let us know what you think of this. I'll be honest, I'd rather have this than a balcony. With all this space.
This is a lot of space, and actually this could be triple.
It could be, right? That does fold down. Yeah, I don't know. It's gigantic space. All right. Let us know what you think. Ciao.